morning children. Welcome to class 5 social studies. So we have completed this lesson Greenland children. Again we are going to discuss about that children. Okay. So Greenland is located in the near the Arctic Circle children. So that is your North Pole. Okay. So the Greenland is located near the North Pole. So it is almost 650 kilometer only children. 650 kilometer from the North Pole. Greenland is a country. Okay. It was part of Denmark. Okay. It was part of Denmark. Then from 1953 it became an independent autonomous territory children. Okay. From 1953 it became an autonomous territory. Okay. The next one, it lies in the Tundra region children. So Tundra region we saw, it is fully covered with ice and snow throughout the year. So the Greenland is located in the Tundra region. So each topic wise we are seeing children, equatorial region, desert region. Okay. So here Greenland is a country fully covered by ice and snow children. The sun doesn't rise for weeks. So in winter time and all it will be very long, dark and gloomy. You will have long winter nights and it will be dark because the sun doesn't rise. You can't see the sun over there and it will be gloomy and we feel very inactive children. We will not be able to do feel like doing work. Okay, and like that day how the weather is there, no, that it will be gloomy children. Okay, sometimes you could have also observed here, it would be when the rain is going to come means it will be very dark and it will be very dull also children. Okay, and we feel cold also. So that day you can tell it as gloomy day. Okay, and the temperature in this Greenland is below freezing point children. So the temperature is below freezing point. And then next one, it has got thick layer of ice. Okay, thick layer of ice children. Okay, thick layer of ice and you will form mountains and rocks. Okay children, and main thing it is your this iceberg. Iceberg is a huge piece of ice children. Huge big size. Okay, huge piece of ice you can tell, iceberg. So the what happens from the big like mountain shape, this will be ice will be there. From there this piece will cut off from there and start floating in the water children. That is called as an iceberg. Okay, it is almost like a small mountain size only it will be. So it is called an iceberg. Okay. And we learnt about this climate change children. Okay, our earth is getting warmer. So if there is an increase of 1 or 2 degrees Celsius itself, the ice will start melting children. So if the ice melts means the land mass will go submerged in the water. Okay, so more land will be covered with water children. So that's why scientists, naturalists, environmentalists, everybody is telling we should not raise the temperature of our earth children. Okay, and then mostly chill winds will be blowing over there. So at a speed of 150 kilometer per hour children. Okay, the wind speed will be that is chill wind. Okay, it will be coming and piercing like we will feel the chill winds. 150 kilometer per hour children. Okay, and the capital of Greenland is Nuuk. Okay, the capital of Greenland is Nuuk, and what vegetation we observe is mosses, lichens and shrubs. This mosses and lichens, no children, grow to the ground level only. You can't find any tall trees over there. In summer season you may find some short trees, but mainly it is of mosses and lichens and some shrubs children. Then who are the people living over there? They are the Eskimos. The Eskimos are the original people living over there, children. Okay, they will lead a very first they were leading a very older lifestyle. Now as the technology and contact with the outside world made them to use the technologies, children. Okay, so the Eskimos live in igloos made of ice, children. They have a ice house named as igloos. Then what is the other name for them is Inuits. Okay, the other name for them is Inuits. Okay, then these Eskimos use the animal skin to make jackets, seals skin they use it make for boots and all, children, and they use the animals like reindeer and dogs, no, children, for transport. But due to the advancement in technology, they started using now motorized boats for fishing and all, and then earlier it was kayaks, children. Okay, then next one, nowadays they start using motorized this one bike, jeep and all also they started using over there, and they started importing wood. They started building houses made of wood, children. Okay, then previously they were using harpoons for hunting, so nowadays they started using rifles, children. So the lifestyle has changed for them. Okay, due to the touch with the outside world, children. So they are trying to attract tourist places. Nowadays many facilities are being provided, like schools, colleges, post offices, markets, everything is being available, children. So many important cities are also there, that is given in your textbook. In one more class we will discuss, children. Thank you.